Many Austinites showed up to see Archy Ivan Marshall, aka King Krule, at the iconic Stubbs Waller Creek Amphitheater. On a balmy September evening in the vibrant city of Austin, Texas, a sense of musical excitement pulsed through the air. The stage was set at the legendary Stubbs Waller Creek Amphitheater, and music enthusiasts of all ages and backgrounds converged on this iconic venue. Their collective anticipation was a tangible force, a testament to the magnetic appeal of a specific English artist about to take the stage at 8 p.m., the enigmatic and multi-talented Archy Ivan Marshall, famously known as King Krule. As the sun slowly descended beneath the Texan horizon, casting a warm, enchanting orange hue over the surroundings, fans streamed into the amphitheater in a steady, joyous flow. What was striking about this diverse gathering of individuals was their sheer numbers and their eclectic array of styles. In a way, their attire mirrored the eclectic and genre-defying music that King Krule had masterfully crafted throughout his career. Some concertgoers paid homage to the vintage punk rock aesthetics of the past, their attire a vibrant tapestry of leather jackets, band tees, and distressed denim. Others embraced the contemporary hip-hop sensibilities, flaunting streetwear ensembles that spoke to the artist's ability to traverse musical boundaries easily. The amphitheater buzzed with a sense of unity amid diversity, a testament to the universal appeal of King Krule's music. Meanwhile, some, like myself, stumbled upon this musical gathering by chance. A long line of eager concertgoers caught my attention as I passed the iconic Stubbs Waller Creek Amphitheater. Curiosity piqued, and I conversed with one of the individuals patiently waiting. "Who's performing tonight?" I inquired. The lady I spoke to flashed a knowing smile and replied, "King Krule." At that moment, the name didn't ring a bell. I had yet to delve into the distinctive musical realm of King Krule. My newfound acquaintance shared that King Krule's real name was Archy Marshall. With a quick internet search, his musical identity began to crystallize before me, revealing an artist of significant renown. Even my fellow concertgoer, who had arrived to witness this performance, expressed her amazement at the size of the crowd gathered in anticipation. As I stood there, the camera on my smartphone in hand, I realized the opportunity to document this unique moment. It was a chance to introduce King Krule to those, like me, who were previously unfamiliar with his work. Thus, I embarked on a mission to capture the essence of this evening. Imagine the atmosphere awaiting those who had journeyed inside the storied Stubbs Waller Creek Amphitheater after witnessing the crowd gathered outside. The energy inside was electric, culminating in anticipation, curiosity, and a shared love for music. King Krule, with his soulful and genre-blurring compositions, was poised to create an unforgettable experience. Though I may not have known King Krule before that evening, the sights and sounds of that night left an indelible impression. It was a reminder of the power of music to bring people from all walks of life together, uniting them under the spell of a gifted artist who defies easy classification. And so, I share this story to introduce King Krule's artistry to those who may have yet to discover the magic of his music. Who is Archy Ivan Marshall, aka King Krule? Archy Ivan Marshall, known by his stage name King Krule, is an English singer, songwriter, musician, rapper, and record producer. Born on August 24, 1994, in Southwark, London, Marshall had a unique upbringing that shaped his artistic journey. Early life. Discipline issues and resistance to school marked Marshall's childhood. Raised by parents Rachel Howard and Adam Marshall, he spent time between his father's strict household in Peckham and his mother's more lenient one in East Dulwich. His father would have to carry him to school as he often skipped classes physically. As a teenager, Marshall struggled with mental health issues, including depression and insomnia, which would later influence his lyrics. Despite these challenges, his parents encouraged his creativity, particularly in visual art, which remains essential to his work. Career beginnings. While attending Forest Hill School and later the Brit School between 2008 and 2011, Marshall released 2 singles under the pseudonym Zoo Kid and developed a music genre called Blue Wave. In July 2011, he adopted the name King Krule and released his debut EP later that year. The stage name was inspired by the Elvis Presley film King Krule, not the Donkey Kong video game character, King K. Rool. 2012, he gained recognition when the BBC nominated him for the Sound of 2013 poll. On his 19th birthday in 2013, Marshall released his debut album, 6 Feet Beneath the Moon, which garnered attention in the US with performances on popular shows like Conan and The Late Show with David Letterman. Marshall's versatility. King Krule's music defies easy categorization, blending elements of punk jazz, hip-hop, darkwave, trip-hop, post-punk, and more. His unique sound has earned him critical acclaim and a dedicated fan base. Evolution and side projects. In 2015, Marshall released the album A New Place to Drown under his real name, Archy Marshall, differentiating it from King Krule's signature sound. He described it as a hip-hop album. He also experimented with side projects, releasing music named Edgar the Beatmaker. In 2017, King Krule returned with the album The Ooze, receiving widespread acclaim and recognition as one of the year's best rock albums. In 2020, Marshall released Man Alive, and continued to evolve his musical style. He followed up with a live album in 2021 and a new album titled Space Heavy in 2023. Musical style and influences. King Krule's music is a fusion of genres, including punk jazz, jazz fusion, darkwave, post-punk, hip-hop, trip-hop, jazz rap, and dub. His lyrics often explore themes of romance, sex aggression, conflict, and depression. Marshall draws inspiration from a diverse range of artists, from Elvis Presley and Chet Baker to Fela Kuti and Jay Dilla. Personal life. Marshall co-parents a child with English photographer Charlotte Patmore, who has collaborated on his photography and videography projects. They welcomed their daughter in 2019. Marshall currently resides in Liverpool. Throughout his career, King Krule has continued to evolve his musical style and push the boundaries of genre, solidifying his status as a unique and influential artist in the music industry.